Hit your drum if you're there, Reds Riders. Oh, he's over here. I'm dancing. Somebody hit the drum over there. It's your Echo. It's a Bellingham Echo. Are you over there, Reds Riders? All right, next drum in order.
They look alike.
All right, Reds Riders is there. Go ahead, take it away. Men's traditional make 'em dance contest is on. Good luck there, gentlemen.
But it's on their website.
Take it away.
No, it's not. It's their mom.
Yeah, I like those islands. Why do traditional dancers bob their heads?
Oh, hey, all right there. Hold your places, judges. The ball is in your court. It's how you want to proceed at this time that matters the most. Oh, hey, I'm telling you what, the judges look to the east, they look to the south, and here's one choice coming on up right now. Choice number 2, choice number 3, and okay, looks like we got them all, right? Okay, come on up here, get with the registrar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finalists tonight. Oh, hey, now we're talking about it. I am not quite sure. But let me look at the schedule of events that's going on. But I do believe that's all the contest categories for tonight.